When you're not breathing properly from the left nostril, it can lead to things like anxiety, stress, self-doubt and negativity in general. You see that left nostril powers the right side of the brain, and when it's not getting fully oxygenated we feel negative emotion, but when it functions well it also responsible for things like empathy, understanding and wisdom. So how to fix it? Simple practice. Alternative nostril breathing can help us feel more calm and collected. To learn and practice this balancing pranayama,